Yeah, you got to use these vice grips to hold this pin right here. Okay, now we're gonna have to do the bottom one. Okay, now we got to get this bolt out right here. And that one is 21 millimeter. Okay, I've got the caliper off, and it's right here. Still connected to the hose. Sometimes you can put it up here on the A-arm. And I took out these two bolts right here. And then I had to use a method to put a bolt in here and press this rotor off. And that's what I did. Okay, here is some of the bolts. Right up here, especially this one, but there's one down here, right there, and then there's another one you can't see, it's over here. But I'm going to try to get those out. And these are all 18 millimeter. Okay, this is a very tough one right here. So what I'm doing is I sprayed a little bit of this blaster on there. All right, now I've got the ratchet, my 18 millimeter on there, and now I'm using this pipe on here. It's a little bit too tough, even though I have 100 foot-pounds on my air compressor. It's a little bit too tough for this particular bolt. But it's coming. Okay, that last bolt over here was extremely hard to get out of there, but I did get it out. It took a lot of work. Okay, now what we're going to do is try to get this hub off. Well, I've been beating on it. It's not coming off. We're going to try a couple of different things. Okay, we're going to try heat next. This hub isn't any good, so it doesn't matter how hot you get it. Now when you want to turn on the red one, the acetylene first. Turn the red one until it's not smoking. Then we're going to pour cold water on it. Okay, now we're going to take this off of here. This spring that releases the chisel. Now we're going to put one of these in, chisel. We put it in here, and this is Central Pneumatic Harbor Freight. Then thread this back on. Now we're going to try lifting the front end up and putting that jack stand underneath of it, and then I'll let it down, see if that'll break it loose. Well, I decided not to use heat because the problem is that the spindle, which is this part right here, and down here, that is aluminum, and although it's a very thick piece, I'm afraid that it'll melt if I use any heat. Any more heat. Probably didn't heat it up very much at all the first time I heated it up. But now what I'm going to have to do is take off the spindle completely, and then I'll have to either buy a press or make something to press the hub out.